Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2010 model Subaru Forester Premium, 2.0-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 67,000 kilometers mileage, power sunroof, moonroof, all-wheel drive, steering controls, all power, upgraded Android touchscreen stereo, fresh and preserved condition, flawless body paint, perfect interiors, fresh and no issue, sunroof working perfectly, excellent silent smooth engine, excellent transmission, solid suspension, drives perfect, very cold aircon, no issue whatsoever, nothing to fix. Cash price, 298,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 123,400 pesos. (2023) model Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 7,000 kilometers mileage, all stock still all original from casa. First owner, personal used only, touchscreen stereo, steering controls, all power, flawless body paint, perfect interiors, fresh and no issue, excellent silent smooth engine, perfect transmission, solid suspension, drives perfect, very cold aircon. Cash price, 528,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 49,650 pesos. (2018) model Hyundai Tucson GLS, 2.0-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 37,000 kilometers mileage, push-button start, 10-inch Hyundai touchscreen stereo, climate control aircon, all power. Upgraded 18-inch BBS mag wheels with thick tires, complete with owner's manual and service booklet. Fresh and pristine like new condition. Cash price, 698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 207,200 pesos. (2019) model Toyota Vios E, 2.3-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 39,000 kilometers mileage, all stock still all original from casa. First owner, lady owner, perfect interiors, fresh and no issue, excellent silent smooth engine, perfect transmission, solid suspension, drives perfect, very cold aircon, no issue whatsoever, nothing to fix. Cash price, 498,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 53,600 pesos. 2017 model Isuzu Crosswind XUV, 2.5-liter turbo diesel, automatic transmission, 61,000 kilometers mileage, all power, all stock still all original from casa. Complete with owner's manual and service booklet. Fresh and intact condition, well maintained, flawless body paint, perfect interiors fresh and no issue, no cracks leather seats, excellent smooth engine, excellent transmission, drives perfect, very cold aircon, no issue whatsoever nothing to fix. Cash price, 508,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 147,400 pesos. (2011) model Hyundai Sonata Premium, 2.4-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 73,000 kilometers mileage, paddle shifters, factory genuine leather seats, power seats, push-button start, panoramic sunroof, touchscreen stereo, fresh intact condition, well-maintained, flawless body paint, perfect interiors fresh and no issue, OLED suspension, drives perfectly well, very cold aircon, no issue whatsoever nothing to fix. Cash price, 368,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 156,200 pesos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.